Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset, or actually a force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. And all you have to do is to perform the force restart. And it's quite easy in this device. All you have to do is to find the power button, which is in this configuration located at the top of the of our device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. Of course, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Keep pressing the power button all the time. It should take approximately 10 seconds. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. And now we've got the developer's logo, so we can release the finger. And in a second, our device will be restarted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.